Hi there, Amit here for Advices Media, and today I'm going to show you the double dip hard shell case cover for the HTC One Android smartphone. I've been using this smartphone from the past 2 weeks, and I find that there are small dents which are coming up onto this device. Now that is generally formed because you keep placing this smartphone on the top of your desk, or you keep it in your pocket with a few other keychains and some other coins. And in order to ensure that I don't get those kind of dents which you generally see here, like in these areas, there are very less right now. Obviously, there are almost none as of now, but they would simply come up. And in order to fix that, I have bought a new hard shell case cover, which is not yet available in India. I bought it through eBay, wherein someone had actually imported it from US or UK, and is actually selling it. And the price is pretty high as of now. This is priced around 3,000 rupees. It's called the hard shell for HTC One, and it's mentioned here that it's for HTC HC-C840. That's hard shell double dip case cover. So this is what you get in the package. This is mentioned, which is shown here. Now I'm just going to do the unboxing of this package and show you what all comes in it, and I'm going to install it right away. So here we have the case cover. Let me just open the packaging, and once you are in, let's see what all comes here. There's nothing else. Since this is just a case cover, you shouldn't be expecting a lot out of it. There is this single cover. It's made out of plastic, not the actual aluminium build which you get on the smartphone. It's actually made out of three parts. One is for the top, one is for the bottom. So on the bottom you have the gray color, on the top you have the red, and this is how it comes. You can just remove the dummy paper out of it, and this is what you get. Now this is made out of pretty good quality of plastic here, as you can see here, and this is where the camera comes. And now let's try to place the phone here. So generally you would just push the phone here, but in this case you can just slide in here this way, and it should be fine. So once you have slide the whole phone, it should fit perfectly here. Let's push it perfectly, and once you are done, you can find that the camera placement is perfect, as you can see here. Now let's place the top and the bottom part. So they would actually fix perfectly onto the top areas. As you can see here, that's where the speakers are. Now let's push it here, and you would hear a tick sound. There's some issue right now with my current screen guard, which is actually bulging out, but I'll actually fix that slowly. And apart from that, you can place it on the bottom this way, and you're ready to go. So the whole setup is done, and you're ready to go. So this ensures that you don't get those small lines or dents on the smartphone. The case actually makes this phone look more beautiful. I feel that it's more beautiful right now because of the color combination. That's this light gray, the dark gray, and the red on the top. So it makes it more beautiful, and I'm pretty much impressed with the build quality of this case cover as of now, but except the part that it's not yet available officially by HTC in India, and also it's just imported through someone on eBay, and it's actually overpriced. That's at 3,000 rupees. If you can get it, if you have someone from UK, then you can get it around 15 pounds, around 12 pounds, depending on the stores. But this is what you get right now, and I'm pretty much impressed with this. So if you are using HTC One, I would actually recommend you to go for this case cover. So thanks for watching this video. Do you like this video? If you actually like the content, and that would actually appreciate my efforts, and I'll keep you updated with more videos like this. Thank you.